Hey, what's up? Talking about my trades I took today. Took a couple 7:30, which is I think this is my time. So it'd be 11:30, 10:30, I mean, my bad. 8 o'clock, this is 11, 7:34, 7:30. Okay, so it'd be this one first, this one, then this one. So I took those today, and as you can see, they were quick. They weren't that quick, but they were scalps on the 1 minute. Okay, I do used I did use order flow and saw on the heat maps a couple of things. Let me see. Let me pull that up. Okay, I think I have that up already. Let me see. Right here. Yeah. So right here was it that trade? Let me see. I'm not too sure. Oh, okay, it was this one. It was this one. This is 11. This is still good. We'll go over that after. So this is my heat map on Sierra charts. Um, this level, I'm not even sure where that was, to tell you the truth. Thinking about it now, I didn't screenshot it with the date, with the time. I mean, so but let's figure it out. Look, this I took a long around here, around 72 area, if I recall. So it might be this. Yeah, okay. It's that. It's that area. So I took a long here at 7250, and I'll show you what I saw when I was watching the heat map. So what I did see was it was trending down. It shot up, kind of could have been for people to kind of what's that called? Accumulation, I don't know, whatever. So you come up, and maybe it could have looked like sellers wanted to go in. They gave it an attempt to hold it down. As the trend was this morning, you know, as the trend was, it was kind of, this jolt down. It wanted to shoot down. People thought it was going to go and whatever, right? So it shot down here. I saw that they defended this easy. Look, lower, low there, came up, higher low here, right? Which was that. It was just making higher low, higher highs, higher highs, higher lows, higher lows. So I was like, okay, it's just trending higher. It doesn't matter the top. Just look at the bottom. Look at double top, boom, whatever. So came down here. This is that entry. When I saw it came down here, and then the buyers started getting aggressive right here. So I entered around here, around this area. So just like buyers, look at all these buyers in this area, these green bubbles. I just figured, okay, if it's gonna go up, put my stops below that, right below this candle, not even below that, because that tight. That stop was tight, right? 7250. It was probably like a 7050. So around here, I put my stops around here, and I figured, I'm like, okay, if it goes back here, these are going to be in profit, so they'll have more confidence. Whatever. It was risky. It was risky. I wasn't targeting too high. I wasn't going to target to here. I could have. And that's kind of where I was looking to get out at. But I figured since it came down so hard, I saw that maybe it still wasn't ready to just shoot up, and I didn't want it to go too high anyways, because look, this was London High. It tried to go higher, didn't. Try it again to go higher, didn't. But it was just ranging kind of in this area as well. So I figured higher, 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 higher. It was just trending high. So I was just I looked for a short here because I saw this jolt, this up, and it kind of just boom, 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 and it kind of just barcoded up. And this is low resistance draws on liquidity. So I knew once I saw it shoot up like that for this one, what was it gonna do? I waited a bit till it printed a candle, right? That's a high, low, higher, high. And once it kind of like the sellers were stepping in and defending this area, and the delta was big, with the volume, like the volume was getting big, then I saw, okay, they're they want to make a move. So once came down, I shot this. I brought it to I brought it down to like around here, I think. my my position. I brought it to break even, maybe. I don't remember. But I figured I wanted it to go lower. I wanted it to go to London lows. Okay. Was it ready to go to London lows? No, it wasn't. It wasn't ready. So, it wasn't ready to go to London lows just yet, right? So what the fuck happened? What did I do? Um, yeah, I fucked this all up. Anyways, we'll just go. To Let's delete this. Why is this on this side? What the fuck? Should try view. Okay. Shit. Yeah, little hiccup. Oh, anyway, it was, why is this over here, bro? What the fuck? On the right. All right. What is this? Oh, that's what I did. Okay. Let's add an indicator. Those are my indicators. You're welcome. No, I'm just kidding. So, okay. I have this. Shows the London highs, London lows, Asia's, all that. Um, so since it was having trouble getting the okay, so since I saw the London's highs weren't getting messed with, and I was seeing this, I think I got up at 7:30. So no, 7. So I got up after market opened. I saw this, try to make an attempt up, try to make another attempt down, came down here, didn't want to trade this chop. I was fucking with other prop firms. I think I've, did some stuff here, but this is like prop firm stuff. And then this little trade is on my personal, which I could have targeted to London lows, but I didn't. I just exited and I was like, fuck it. whatever. I was done for the day. I had a great little run. So let me just go over what I saw here. So once I saw it trending high and it's struggling here, this was the first kind of little. It was high risk. It was little shot up. This little jerk candle up, and then boom, what it do? It dumped. Right. So that's what I kind of wanted to see. Look, in this candle is what I saw, that at least for a little retracement down, not to here. I didn't want to target here because the sellers were already, the buyers were already really driving it up. So for it to retrace back that much, that's a big move. Unless it's like some news or some crazy stuff like that. Like here, but you can already tell here, and here, all these big dogs are are planning for this move, because look, it doesn't come any higher. You know what I mean? So yeah, it's pretty interesting. So what I saw here too, kind of same thing, was just following the trend now. Okay, they started making up their moves. The lines are cleaner, retraced, came down, and I waited for another little retrace entry kind of thing. Came down, and then I looked for another retrace like over here, but it doesn't have to look. It's never gonna look like what you're taught. You know what I mean? It's not gonna look like this. Watch. It's never gonna look like higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher lows. You know, where this is clearly higher, this is clearly higher, or it's not gonna look like, you know, like this, lower, 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 lower. You know, and then it comes up here, comes up here. Oh, break a structure. That's a no. It's not gonna be as clear as that. You know, you have to kind of. Oh dang, what was that? You have to kind of imagine it in a way to where, okay, yeah, it's coming up. See the bigger picture. Zoom out a little bit. I've been doing that, and it's been helping. Zooming out a bit and kind of seeing, and don't worry about these wicks. That shit's just to scare you. You know, it's not really anything to be too worried about. You know, but make sure you're doing the same thing, keeping up your plan, and having your edge good. The the Sierra charts helped a lot, and it was cool. I hope you had a good day, good week, good Friday, and God bless you. Peace, man.